Family enterprise systems that work well and work the best that we've seen have mature, sophisticated, and highly regarded family councils. By now, it's close to 600 families that we've worked with over these years, and most of them, there's been an element of family governance. That's a big population. One of the things that we have seen over time is that if you don't get your family organized, your company, your family company, is not going to survive for generations. Just won't. What does that mean? To get your family organized? Be a disciplined, forward-thinking, contributing, developing family that adds value. The family needs attention. We try to keep an orderly, responsible, disciplined group through governance. In family governance, your focus is on supporting long-term family and family enterprise success. And your second big objective here is to build talent. And we're going to be talking about unity and talent building. And that's become, as I'm sure you're all tracking this, even more challenging, we think, in today's turbulent and sometimes disruptive world.